Hi, I'm Sterling with Arizona Foundation Solutions. When was the last time you thought about your home's foundation? If you're like most people, the idea of checking your home's foundation hasn't really crossed your mind. When you come home, you're not thinking about cracks in your stem wall, soil heaving, or moisture barriers. You're thinking about your comfy couch. We feel that a home's foundation comes with the expectation of reliability. We don't think about it because, for the most part, we don't see it every day. But an annual foundation inspection, much like a doctor's appointment, is necessary for the longevity of your home. Before we get into the details, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all things related to foundation repair. So why inspect your foundation at all? The mindset that your home's foundation is immune from damage isn't uncommon. It comes from a place where, as said before, since we don't see it every day and nothing is happening, then it's fine. By the time a slab crack occurs or the signs appear in droves, you're looking at heavy repairs and high costs. Peacetime is preparation time. When you get an inspection done, you could end up with a clean bill of health. Or you might be facing heavy repairs. But with heavy repairs, you're guaranteeing stability, warranties, and a new position to keep track of your foundation's health. What happens during an inspection? When a design specialist arrives at your home, they will check all signs of foundation issues that you're aware of. After they see all the signs, they will explain the process. They will show how your home will be mapped out. They will proceed to mark all signs of foundation issues. They will use a device called a zip level to check the home's elevation. They will mark all areas of the house with different elevations. Once the home is mapped out and the elevation points are entered, the design specialist will go over the findings with you. So what does a foundation inspection cost? You can anticipate that certain foundation companies will charge anywhere between $300 and $800 for an inspection. This will depend on the size and level of damage found and the size of your home. There's a lot of work that goes into a foundation inspection. At Arizona Foundation Solutions, we don't charge an inspection fee unless it needs to be expedited by, say, a real estate agent. Is the inspection intrusive? To get accurate readings, it's important that your home is in good order. Furniture might need to be adjusted to make this happen. Since floor readings are necessary to gain the most accurate results, it's important to have the area as clear as possible. Understand that a foundation inspection will include going into areas of the home you wouldn't normally allow people to enter in. These areas include your bedroom closets and bathrooms, among other areas that will need to be assessed. How long does it take? This will vary depending on the size of the home and the amount of damage and if the area is clear. Your best case scenario with everything going well, you can anticipate an average time of about 2 to 3 hours. When should I get an inspection? There are different answers. The reality is you should have it inspected sooner rather than later. If you see signs of foundation issues, be proactive. Sometimes the Band-Aid just needs to be ripped off. Treat your home the same way you treat your health. Have it inspected annually and monitor for any movements that could occur during that time. Watch for any moisture intrusion, erosion, sinking, or signs of stress. Begin today for the sake of your home's longevity. Scheduling a professional foundation inspection is essential in maintaining the structural integrity and safety of your home. Regular inspections can catch potential issues early, preventing minor problems from becoming major and becoming costly repairs. They provide peace of mind, ensure your property's longevity, and protect your investment. Don't wait for visible signs of trouble. Proactive foundation inspections can save you time, money, and stress in the long run. Prioritize your home's foundation today to secure a stable and worry-free future. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you saw and found it helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all things foundation repair. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and we will see you again in the next video.